You're listening to BambinoBabble's story. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled by the edge of a dense forest, there lived an elderly man named Samuel. Samuel was known far and wide for his wisdom and kindness. He had seen many seasons come and go, and his long, silver beard bore witness to the passage of time. One sunny afternoon, Samuel decided to take a leisurely stroll through the forest. As he wandered deeper into the woods, he stumbled upon a clearing where he saw a group of children playing. They were laughing and running around, seemingly carefree. Samuel, always eager to share his wisdom, approached the children and asked, "My dear children, what brings you to this forest today?" One of the children, a bright-eyed girl named Lily, replied, "We came here to explore and have fun, sir. It's such a beautiful day." Samuel smiled warmly and said, "That's wonderful to hear. But have you ever heard the tale of the bundle of sticks?" The children shook their heads, indicating that they hadn't. Samuel cleared his throat and began to tell the tale. Long ago, Samuel began, there lived a man who had many sons. These sons were strong and capable, but they often quarreled among themselves. The father worried that this constant fighting would weaken their bond and their family. To teach them a valuable lesson, he called his sons together and asked each of them to bring him a single stick. Once they had all returned with their sticks, he handed each of them a single stick from the bundle and instructed them to break it. Samuel paused, looking at the children to ensure they were following the story. They nodded in anticipation. As you can imagine, Samuel continued, each son easily snapped the single stick in his hand. But then, Samuel continued with a twinkle in his eye. The father handed them the remaining bundle of sticks and asked them to break it together. The sons, now working as a team, tried with all their might to break the bundle, but it was unyielding. They soon realized that together, they were much stronger than they were individually. Samuel let the moral of the story hang in the air for a moment. Then he said, "My dear children, this tale teaches us that unity is strength. When we work together and support one another, we can overcome any challenge, just like the bundle of sticks." The children exchanged knowing glances, and Lily spoke up, "Thank you, sir, for sharing this wonderful story with us. We'll remember it always." Samuel patted Lily's head affectionately and said, "Remember, my children, the bonds of friendship and cooperation are precious. Together, you can achieve great things." With that, Samuel bid the children farewell and continued his stroll through the forest. As he walked away, he couldn't help but smile, knowing that he had shared a timeless lesson that these young hearts would carry with them throughout their lives.